When your manufacturing process includes dealing with challenging dust, controlling it and keeping your process up and running can be difficult. Problematic dust can be especially harmful on your dust collector and equipment. If the dust characteristics of a demanding process or application aren't addressed appropriately, collectors may become plugged, which can cause heavy and potentially harmful dust to back up and quickly fill your plant, putting your equipment, facility, and people at risk. Naturally, you want to prevent it from compromising machinery or process performance and air quality in your facility. But instead of disrupting your production activities by spending hours cleaning a clogged dust collection system, what if you had an easy-to-maintain dust control solution specifically designed to handle challenging dust? Meet the Donaldson Dalamatic G2. As the pinnacle of performance bag houses, it offers easy and flexible installation, innovative envelope-shaped filter bags for superior pulse cleaning, optimized spacing between filters for better dust dropout, and easy access to filters for much quicker changeouts. It all adds up to improved performance and simplified maintenance that reduces downtime and lowers the total cost of ownership. With the Dalamatic G2, you get 24/7 continuous duty design, an integrated inlet designed for optimal air distribution over filters, downward airflow for enhanced dust dropout and reduced re-entrainment, IQ connected monitoring technology that continuously tracks your equipment and provides performance details, predictive actionable insights, and status alerts directly to your connected device, and more. Featuring the revolutionary new Radial Seal filter design with fixed gauges, the continuous duty Dalamatic G2 reduces filter changeout times by up to 75% compared to earlier baghouse designs. With patented Dura-Life bag filters in an envelope shape, the design allows greater movement of the filter to dislodge challenging dust cakes during the powerful pulse jet cleaning action of the Dalamatic G2. Backed by more than 250,000 global installations over 30 years and a selected partner network, no other manufacturer is more capable or trusted to solve your dust, fume, and mist collection challenges than Donaldson. Keep your facility up and running for more hours with the Dalamatic G2. To learn more, contact your local Donaldson representative.